Alright, let's talk about something we all think about, your money. You're scrolling through your phone, maybe you've got a few bucks sitting in a savings account, maybe you're even dipping your toes into investing. And you stumble across Raiz. Micro-investing, they say. Spare change, they say. Sounds easy, right? But here's the question that's probably buzzing in your head, is my money safe with Raiz? Because let's be real, handing over your hard-earned cash to an app, even one with a slick interface, can feel a little, well, risky. We're bombarded with stories of scams, market crashes, and the general uncertainty of the financial world. So, how does Raiz stack up? First, let's break down what Raiz actually does. It's an automated investment platform that rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change into a diversified portfolio of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These ETFs represent a basket of different assets, like stocks and bonds, designed to track a specific market index. So, in essence, you're not just throwing your money into a black box, you're investing in a range of established assets. Now, for the safety part. Raiz itself is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, which provides a layer of oversight and protection. This means they have to adhere to certain standards and regulations regarding how they handle your money. Furthermore, your investments are held in trust by a third-party custodian. This means that even if Raiz were to go belly up, your investments remain separate and protected. But here's the thing, market fluctuations are a reality. The value of your investments can go up and down, and there's no guarantee of returns. That's the nature of investing, whether you're using Raiz or any other platform. The value of ETFs are tied to the performance of the underlying assets. If the stock market takes a dip, your Raiz portfolio will likely reflect that. So, is your money safe? In terms of regulatory compliance and the way your investments are held, yes, Raiz takes steps to protect your funds. But is it immune to market risk? Absolutely not. No investment platform can guarantee that. Another thing to consider is the level of diversification. Raiz offers different portfolio options, ranging from conservative to aggressive, allowing you to choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance. A more diversified portfolio can help mitigate some risk, but it won't eliminate it entirely. Ultimately, whether Raiz is safe for you depends on your individual circumstances and risk appetite. It's not a savings account with guaranteed returns, it's an investment platform. If you're looking for a low-barrier way to dip your toes into investing and understand the inherent risks involved, Raiz can be a viable option. But if you need absolute certainty and zero risk, you might want to explore other avenues. Do your research. Understand the fees, the portfolio options, and the potential risks. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.